I just don't feel like myself, or I just feel out of sorts. If this is you or someone that you know, you need to listen to this video. If you're suffering from unexplained symptoms or unexplained illnesses, I have good news for you, and this video is for you. There is a big problem this year: allergies. Many patients come in this year for allergy testing. We have been getting many patients with chronic ailments, mental fatigue. They're depressed, they have anxiety, concentration difficulty, memory issues. Many patients are returning with digestive issues, feel bloated after a meal or even drink water, indigestion with eating anything and everything. They're on antacids every day and they don't want to be on medication for the rest of their life. So you need to listen to what I'm about to say. We also have patients who have gained weight and cannot get rid of it. Weight loss resistance. And usually the answer is not the weight loss. You need to fix your body. And they blame their thyroid gland for it. They go on thyroid medication and they take thyroid meds, which they are told they have to take for the rest of their life. Guess what these people need to do? They need to fix their body. And even with taking thyroid medication, they're not losing the weight because the thyroid is not the problem. It shows false positive on their blood work. So you need to listen. If you want to have more energy, better sleep, waking up with energy, have better concentration, have better memory, you need to get tested for sensitivities to toxins, environmental allergens, food allergies, so on and so forth. Why? Because adverse sensitivities can be the culprit to your symptoms. Many people with these symptoms, they manage the symptoms for the day with daily taking pills. Do you really want to take pills for the rest of your life? Do you want to give pills to your children for the rest of your life? Or for the rest of their life? The only way to know what is the underlying culprit is to get tested. Our physicians, based on your individualized needs, order specialty testing to find the underlying cause of why you feel out of order, why you feel miserable. Based on the test results, you may need some supplements to help you regain your vitality and well-being back. Folks, do not take supplements for the heck of it. Do not just try supplements. Let our doctors recommend to you what you would need and at what dosage from what company. There are a lot of junk supplements out there. They can actually make you more sick. We have seen many of these cases. There is a reason that vitamin C is $5 versus $35. We need to scan your body for toxins, heavy metals, chemicals, food and metabolic stressors and fix you. The reason you are not fixed is because nobody addressed the underlying cause. Many of your symptoms have the same underlying cause. Ready? Many of your symptoms starts with bad gut function. Bad gut function causes bad brain function. What does a bad gut function mean? Well, do you feel bloated after a meal? Do you have distension, indigestion, constipation, excessive belching? You may be eating healthy, but if it doesn't get digested properly, it will not help you. You cannot use the food as a source of energy. That's why you're fatigued. That's why you can't sleep. Bad gut equals bad brain. Inflamed gut causes inflamed brain. There is a direct correlation between your gut and your brain. Your brain is responsible to get proper messages across it and control the body. What helps this? What needs to be there? Neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters, they get converted in your gut to be used in your brain. If this mechanism, it's not happening properly in your gut, which in your case probably it is not, because you have inflamed gut, it affects your brain function. What are the symptoms of brain dysfunction? Mental fatigue. You feel depressed, you have anxiety, you have sleeplessness, concentration difficulty, memory loss. Sometimes you stumble on doing simple math. Sometimes you go to a location every day for the past 20 years. One day you get lost because you have lack of concentration or adult onset attention deficit disorder. I don't want to talk about that now. That's a different video. Some people say your gut is your second brain. Well, in my opinion, your gut is your first brain, because without a good gut, you cannot have good brain. Many of you have thyroid problems. Many of you have had testing for thyroid, which are very limited. You're diagnosed with hypothyroid or Hashimoto's thyroiditis or autoimmune thyroid. And you're on meds and you're still feeling miserable because nobody is addressing your gut. You need to address your gut with sensitivities, with toxins, with heavy metals in your body, so on and so forth. And that's what we do. Our physicians practice functional medicine. This means we do specialty testing on site so that we are able to treat the person and not label you with a cookie cutter condition. This means we need to address your allergies, address your sensitivities, address your gut, address your brain. You may be gluten sensitive. That's why you may have mental fatigue. That's why you have sleep pattern issues. That's why you're on thyroid hormones. We need to address stomach, gut function, brain function, thyroid function, organs of your body, all at the same time. And this is what makes our functional medicine doctors different. Allergies are not normal. They may be common, but they're not normal. And the cure is not taking Flonase, taking Nasonex inside your nostril, and a lifetime of medication. Let's get to the bottom of your unexplained symptoms and fix you up naturally. So you need to understand, when you have pain, like shoulder pain, knee pain due to knee osteoarthritis, you go to doctors, or sometimes you go to pharmacy and get Tylenol, or you go to doctors for knee pain or knee osteoarthritis and get gel shots. This is all good. But what makes functional medicine doctors different is we do understand when you have pain, it affects your midbrain. It affects your brain stem inside your brain. When it affects your brain stem, it affects your neurotransmitters. When it affects your neurotransmitters, you get insomnia, depressed, anxiety, lack of concentration. That is what we do in this office. We treat the person while we give you the gel shots. We assess you for your gut dysfunction or brain dysfunction and help you with supplements. It affects your heart because there is a nerve coming out of your brain. It's called the vagus nerve. Vagus nerve goes to your internal organs. When it goes to your internal organs, it goes to your lungs, it goes to your heart, it goes to your gut. If it goes to your lung and you have issues with your digestion which has affected your brain function, you are going to get shortness of breath. You're going to get allergies. Okay? You are going to get palpitations in your heart, anxiety, excessive sweating, inability to sleep. So the work that the body does, it's synergistic. The supplements that we give you work synergistically. That's why you come to a functional medicine doctor. That's why you don't go and get a supplement off the shelf, because they have to work synergistically. Your gut function should never be ignored with any chronic illness, whether it's thyroid, whether it's arthritis, whether it's chronic pain, whether it's chronic fatigue, whether it's low energy. It cannot be ignored. Proper gut function is paramount for waking up with energy, for having a good night's sleep so you can use your body tomorrow for energy, being able to breathe well so you can use the oxygen as a source of energy, for brain clarity, so on and so forth. This is the difference between Medwell functional medicine doctors and taking meds for the rest of your life. Rather than being on meds for the rest of your life, manage your symptoms for life. Just manage your symptoms for life. Get tested, get fixed up. My goal is to add value to your life so you're able to do what you want to do, play your favorite sport, be able to take care of your children and grandchildren and spend quality time with them. If you are serious about getting your symptoms handled, our office is for you. Call us on this number on the screen, and God bless. Looking forward to see you, and thank you for watching.